Hey, 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 welcome back to the channel, Crapshoot Creations. Doing an upcoming video of a videos. How about that? Ain't that something new? We're going to be doing videos on going to the markets around New Jersey, seeing the people there, what's going on, selling our product, the tie-dye, of course. You never know who you're going to meet at the market. We're going to do product reviews. This is working good, that's not working good. We're going to have special guests play some music for us, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be awesome. We're even going to have some people come on and do a little bit of cooking for us, which is delicious. And of course, we're going to be doing a lot more of how-to videos with our brother DX. We're going to be doing the classic tie-dye, reverse tie-dye. So come with us. You don't want to miss it. See behind the scenes of what's going on. It ain't all just about twisting and tying and dyeing. You want to sell t-shirts, this is the way you got to go. Cash on the money. Let's go to the markets. So, peace, love, and tie-dye. Look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.